Good morning students. Now over in this video today we will start the new topic from the amines, and the topic name is methods of preparation of amines. Our topic is methods of preparation of amines. Preparation of amines. It means by using the which methods we will prepare the amines. In this, the first method is by reduction method. By reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds. In this method, what we observe, we have different type of reductions. First, catalytic reduction. Catalytic reduction. In this, we reduce the aliphatic nitro compound or aromatic nitro compound in the presence of certain catalyst like nickel platinum, and in the presence of ethanol. In this case, we get the amine, aliphatic amine or aromatic amine. So this is the first method we will use. We have another condition in this when we reduce the nitro compound in the presence of SN and HCl. When we use SN and HCl as a catalyst, we also get the amine. So CH3, CH2, NO2 in presence of this SN and HCl, we get amine CH3, CH2, NH2 plus water molecules as a byproduct. Now in next third type in reduction, in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride, CH3, CH2, NO2, in the presence of lithium aluminium hydride and dry ether. Dry ether. In this we get the aniline. So by using this first method is reduction method, and in this reduction method we have three type of the reduction processes in this. First, catalytic reduction. In catalytic reduction we use the nickel platinum as a catalyst. Nitro compound converts into the aniline. In second, in the presence of SnHCl, nitro compound converts into the aniline. In third case, where we use the lithium aluminium hydride, nitro compound converts into the aniline. So this is our first method which we have in this. Now the second method we discuss for the preparation. Second method is known as half-mole ammonolysis. So what we have in this method, first we understand half-mole on the name of scientist Halfman ammonolysis method. Ammonolysis method. Okay, Halfman ammonolysis method. This method is when we use this method in the preparation of the amines, we start with the ammonia. So this is starting part, ammonia. When we react the ammonia with the alkyl halide, in this condition we observe that halogen have high electronegativity, so bonded electron transfer towards the halogen. In another case, where this lone pair is attracted towards the alkyl group. So in the next step, what we observe is we have this R NH3X. This intermediate compound is formed. Positive charge there, negative charge there. Temperature condition is 373 Kelvin. 373 Kelvin is the temperature condition we have in that case. Now we again, when react with ammonia, then we observe that amine is formed, and liberation of NH4 plus X takes place. NH4 plus X minus takes place from this. So this is the first step which we have. Now if we will continue with this process, we get the secondary amine from this 1 degree amine. So in second step we have RNH2 there, and we react this with the alkyl halide. Now one hydrogen become less with this. Now the new species which is formed is X minus. We again react with the ammonia, then we get the last product in this is R2NH2. R2NH plus NH4 plus X minus. This is the second step which we have in this. Now in third step we start with the 2 degree amine. Again react with alkyl halide. Then we get R2 and R1 alkyl group will more add to this. R3 NH plus X minus. Again ammonia. Then R3N plus NH4 plus X minus will form in this condition. So these three steps are involved in this. In last step, when we use the tertiary amine, in this case tertiary amine reacts with alkyl halide. Now the salt will form, and it is R4N plus X minus will form in this case, and this is known as quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt will form in this condition. So this method, half mole ammonialysis method, and what we observe in this, ammonia reacts with the molecules of the alkyl halides, and we will get the different kind of amines in the step by step process. In this first step we get 1 degree amine. Now we again continue with the 1 degree amine, we get the secondary. Then after, in third step, when we use the secondary amine as a reactant, we get the tertiary condition, and at the last, when we react the tertiary amine, we get the quaternary ammonium salt there. So this is the second preparation method which we have in this. Now next third method is from the nitriles and isonitriles. In this third method we use the nitriles and isonitriles for the preparation of the amines. So So first of all, we have discussion related to the nitriles and isonitriles. From nitriles, and isonitriles. In general, when we differentiate both these terms, when cyanide group is present, it is nitrile. It is nitrile, and when this isocyanide is group present, then we know as isonitrile there. So these two conditions are present there. So how we convert the nitrile compounds into the amine? Basically, we have reduction of the nitriles in this, reduction of nitriles. In this reduction of nitriles, we use compounds where alkyl group is present, or another we have aryl group is present there in this case. For the reduction, we use the different catalysts like nickel catalyst we have in this condition, and lithium aluminum hydride or ethanol we use. When reduction takes place of the nitrile group, it will get converted into the RCH2NH2. RCN converts into the RCH2NH2 group, and in case of aromatic amine, we have ArCH2NH2. So by this method, we are getting that cyanide group by the reduction converted into the amino group. Now in second condition, where reduction of isocyanide is there, reduction of isocyanide in this reduction process, what we observe, CH3CH2 isocyanide structure is and double bond C. This group is isocyanide group. Again, reducing catalysts are used, which we have. It is hydrogen, it is nickel catalyst, and lithium aluminum hydride and ether we use in this reduction process. Lithium aluminum hydride and ether. By this we have the reduction compound CH3CHNH CH3. So this reduction compound we will get from the isocyanide. This is ethyl methylamine. Ethyl methylamine we will get by this reduction process of isonitriles. So these are three general methods which we have in this. Some other methods we are also having, which are used in the preparation of the amines. So in another methods, what we have, just understand and see that amides are also used in the preparation of these amines. Amides we have, next is from amides. Basic simple compound of amide is NH2CONH2. This is urea. Okay. Now where CONH2 group is present, that compound is considered as amide. So first method, reduction of amide, when we reduce the amide compound, we get the amine. First, CS3CO NH2. Two carbons are present there. When we reduce this compound in the presence of lithium, aluminium hydride, ether and water, by this amide we get the amine, and this amine is CS3CH2NH2. Okay, this amine is considered as ethylamine. Okay, so this is the reduction of the amide through which we are getting this reaction. Now some important name reactions are given in the preparation method of the amines, and they are very important for our examination purpose. So we understand very clearly. First is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. On the name of scientist, it is Gabriel-Thalamide reduction or Thalamide reaction. Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. In this Gabriel-Thalamide reaction, what we have? First of all, we require the phthalic acid. We know that phthalic acid is when two COOH groups are present there on this benzene ring. They are responsible for the formation of thalamide. So we convert this phthalic acid into the thalamide compound, and this structure is known as thalamide. Okay, so when we have the thalamide in presence of alcoholic KOH, then we get the salt of this, and this salt is that is N plus, and potassium is added to this. So we have this salt as an intermediate compound, and it is known as potassium thalamide. In next step, this potassium thalamide is used. It reacts with the alkyl halide C2H5 iodide, and when we heat it in the presence, then in this condition liberation of Ki is there. When we liberate the Ki, we get C2H5 group. Addition on this, it is C2H5 group, have the addition on this, and then after we have again hydrolysis of this. By this hydrolysis we will get the amine C2H5 NH2 and phthalic acid again with this. So this reaction is known as Gabriel-Thalamide reaction, which is used in the preparation of the amines. So this is the method which we have. Some other methods we will have in our next video. Thank you very much.